In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message on WhatsApp Web. This is something that many of us might need to do from time to time, whether it's because of a typo or perhaps we sent something to the wrong conversation. Fortunately, the process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it with clear and easy to follow instructions. Whether you're new to WhatsApp Web or just need a refresher, I've got you covered. First, you'll open WhatsApp Web on your computer. If you aren't logged in yet, you will need to do that by scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're logged in, find the chat that contains the message you want to delete. You can do this by either scrolling through your list of chats or using the search bar at the top left of the screen. Once you have located the conversation, click on it to open the chat window on the right side of the screen. Now, navigate to the specific message you wish to delete. This might take a little scrolling if the message is further up in the conversation. When you find it, it's time to take action. To delete the message, simply right-click on it. Right-clicking will bring up a small menu with several options. On this menu, you'll see the option that says Delete. It's important to note that on WhatsApp Web, you can only delete the message for yourself. Deleting the message will remove it from your view, but the recipient will still see it unless it's within a designated time frame and you choose Delete for Everyone on mobile. Clicking the delete option will prompt a confirmation. At this point, it's good to make sure you're selecting the correct message to avoid deleting something important accidentally. Keep in mind, if you've second thoughts, you can just cancel this action here. Now, if you're sure, go ahead and click the delete option to confirm. After you've completed this action, you'll notice that the message disappears from your chat window. What's left is a replacement note stating, "This message was deleted," letting you and anyone else in the chat know that a message was removed. Remember, this feature is incredibly useful if you find yourself needing to clean up a chat history or remove a message composed hastily. We all make mistakes or change our minds, and it's great to have this tool to manage our digital conversations effectively. So, there you have it, a simple and effective way to delete messages on WhatsApp Web. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and feel free to like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more how-tos and tech tips.